everyone, it's me again. Did you miss me? I bet you did. I'm here at PwC with my new friend, Scott Sikorski, and we're going to talk about all things the Microsoft and PwC partnership, so stick with us. How are you feeling, Scott?
Doing great. It's really amazing to see everything that's here. It's sort of hard to believe all that you can take in while here at the hub.
Yeah, so talk to me a little bit about your partnership with Microsoft. So PwC partners with Microsoft to help organizations embed trust and security into every layer of their digital transformation. How does your work with Microsoft, particularly around Purview, reinforce your commitment to secure by design innovation?
So trying to think about Purview alone, because there's a lot to unpack there. But I've heard it before, and I truly believe in that. Yeah. But when it comes to security, it's all about the data. And so the mission being, let's secure that data to start with. And so we at PwC leverage Microsoft's Purview platform to implement controls and protections around the data that exists in one's own environment. And more so, I would say even, we are helping clients deploy the Purview catalog and helping them just speed to innovation, if you will, in their projects anymore.
Yeah, and I like that you said speed to innovation. That's super key, especially when we think about cyber threats. And that's what I want to talk to you next. They're becoming more aggressive and AI-enabled, right? And so what are some of the biggest risks that organizations face today? How do solutions like Purview help close those gaps? Yeah,
so with AI enablement and agents, users don't just have to be targeted from a threat perspective. And agents can go out and crawl and grab data, and you don't have the intention of what data is out there for people to grab or for agents to grab. And so what that has led to is clients also don't have visibility over their data. So frankly, just a straight lack of visibility. And so then we would leverage Purview in order to rein that in, give you full asset confidence on what is out there, helping you with cataloging earlier and data labeling to really get your arms around what it is. Because until you realize what's out there and you have your arms around it, it's a challenge to really feel confident that you're on good, secure footing. In general, I mean, security and the Purview stack is really aligned to the office of the CISO and more so the Chief Data Officer. And so we, along with Microsoft, are having more and more conversations with our clients around the data estate, if you will, and leveraging Purview to really manage and protect an enterprise data estate in general.
Yeah, and I love that you said that the partnership with Microsoft, so PwC and Microsoft are making customers feel more confident that their data is secure, right? And so how does strengthening data protections through Purview create lasting resilience for organizations and broader ecosystems?
Sure, I mean, anymore, there is more and more to do. Data is just exponentially being added within corporations. I think there was a statistic shared yesterday that just in the last 2 years, data has more than doubled and it's expected to continue to grow exponentially. I would just say that we know our clients are doing more with less. And by that, we have to help them get our arms around all the alerts that, say, Purview creates. And instead of having them waste their time going and tracking down, are these alerts legitimate? We're helping them create agents to actually go out and provide context, reach out to users who might have tried to access certain data to understand why. Well, what does that lead them to do? That allows them to have more time to refine policies, to drive and improve security footprint, and otherwise have the confidence that they are on sound, secure footing. Because ultimately, I suppose the goal is that we are helping our clients innovate as fast as they can, knowing that they're on a secure ground, and ultimately having the opportunity to feel good about what they're doing because it's secure by default. I know you mentioned secure by design earlier, but if we have that mindset of secure by default, then that's all the better.
Yeah, and I love that you're not only making customers feel comfortable and confident, but also giving them that feeling of more security, which is super important, but not only a feeling, you're also doing it.
Absolutely.
Right, doing the work. So can you share how we're helping organizations operationalize Purview together?
Sure, so if I was going to dovetail on the topic earlier, really around sort of the agent component of it, again, doing more with less. We've got the operational component around you're not going to be able to double, triple your team despite the size of the data coming out. And so if I was to think about this, if we're helping our clients really get a hold of this data estate you heard me mention earlier, and being able to apply Purview to help manage and protect that data, then by and large, they're going to be already available to start innovating on what it is they have in place. Believe it or not all of our clients are there. And so once you have that strong foundation, you can take advantage of all of the improvements, enhancements, product capabilities that come along with Purview right out of the gate. And so it's sort of by default, you get to take advantage of more.
Yeah, and I like that the partnership between Microsoft and PwC is scaling the access to secure data and also confidence in secure data.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for joining me here.
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming to Microsoft Ignite, Scott. Sure. And if you all would like to learn more from PwC, make sure to follow the link below. Take care and enjoy the rest of Microsoft Ignite.